Okay, dokie. Let's keep going. I'm back. Just had to go do a couple things. But anyway, I'm back. So right now we actually are loading the proper environment variables here, so that's fine. And that will be what we are going to fix down into. Yes, that's what we're going to be fixing down into here. So with your environments, you don't do the stuff, my man. What is it that we have here? Yes, so we don't do this. Instead, oops, environments. Yep, we don't do that. Save it. We do docker and ugh, I hate this. What was the name? Docker env property. Oh, this is not available here. Yes, that's right. Because this has to go in here. Just like that. And then let's go down here. And then this is going to be locker in property. Yes, like so. Cool. And that means we are actually loading the right values now, which is quite important. I missed that before. So that's a bug already fixed. Beautiful. That's the first thing we need to do. Now that we are doing this, I actually want to test something else before we go back to zero downtime deployments. I really want to show this at the end. I don't know why it's not working. Because after start, yes, I'm thinking that we should stop this. All right, stop it first. Yes, like that, right? And then your application is now live at, yes, this makes sense to me. I don't know if it will work or not. Does make sense to me, but I don't want to run through the whole thing to see what this is all about. So let's basically comment a lot of things out. Let's basically comment a lot of things out. Yes, so let's basically comment this part out. What I want to do is just, yes, let's comment this part out. This is fine, fine, fine. Hmm. Let's get the app name, let's get the app port, let's get the app domain, let's get the end file. All that is fine. Now, I don't want to do this at all. Yes, and then don't care about this really. Yes, don't care about this at all either. Don't do any of this. That's right. And then you start. Here we go. Don't log in. Yeah, that's going to be annoying. Yeah. Just do this, do this. Yes. And then don't log in. Doesn't matter. Don't log in. Don't do this. Don't do any of this either. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. So now we should be seeing nothing much actually, but that should work anyway. It's what are the errors here? Why do you have errors? I think maybe we need to organize imports. Yes, nice. Cool. So install this version and then go into the test app and then just go Sidekick launch. Oh, dang it. App 300. Okay. So that will work. So basically we stop it first and then your application is now live at. I think we should add some flavor to this. We definitely should. I don't know if we can do this. Yeah, that's right. So if I go to emoticon F3, I don't know why the emoticon is limited here. I don't know, let's just do a. Yeah, that's terrible. We need a proper one. It has to be from the list below. I hate this. Maybe 24. Why is this only from the list below? What about if I do like this? Nothing. Hmm. Yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, but we can figure this out later. For now, let's just do this. Again, go and install it. I want to test it. So let's do that. Test app, Sidekick launch. Ugh, I keep forgetting about this. App 3000. No, 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 no. Yes, your application is now live app. Yes. App set up successfully. I feel like this should be here instead. Yeah, that makes more sense. I don't know if it's too cheesy though. It's too late. What are you doing? Yank it, paste it. Ugh. Oh my god. Yes. Set up successfully. Yep, happy days. Uh, yeah, I'm not very happy with this, but I don't even know if this is gonna show how this is going to show up in Windows or not. So maybe this is definitely not a good idea. You know, there's I am. That's if you have a nerd font installed. I mean, I do have nerd fonts installed. Probably everybody watching this, if there is anybody watching this, definitely have nerd font installed. But I don't know if the user of this is gonna have nerd font installed or not. So let's just do this. Oh, mm, psh, 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 psh. Yes. Psh, 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 psh. Cool. That works for now, man. Let's just move on. But it matters to me that we at least show like a success thing. Yes. Okay, cool. And then maybe you can change this. Uh, access your app at. That's it. Happy days. We probably need HTTPS here because it doesn't have that. HTTPS. Yes. I believe that will do it for now. Okay, cool. Let's basically uncomment all of this stuff, which is ridiculous, but it is what it is. Cool. So that will basically do the proper fix of the environments, and that's awesome. Now, what we need to do is actually go back to building the zero downtime deployment. So last time we have finished the work on. Thank you. I know. Last time we finished the work on the get everything to work now. Last time we finished the work on the zero downtime deployment script. Now we need to integrate it into the app, and then we need to add a new. Yes, because we need to add a new. This is not how it's supposed to be. Change this to V3. Cool. And then final thing is that we need to basically add that. So I have this ZDD, zero downtime deployments, and that is the script that we are going to run, but we need to add that script. Yes, so we need also to change this MS Musa to something else. That makes sense. This needs to be a variable. So let's just call this Docker username is going to be the third argument we pass in. Going to be the third argument we pass in. And then change this to, okay, you found square username. Amazing, amazing. I don't think you should be streaming, my man. I don't think you should be streaming. It's just embarrassing at this point. It's just embarrassing. Okay, username. This is the third argument I'm going to pass on. And then I'm just going to pull the latest image. And then I'm going to um, basically scale it up to 2, and then get the new container ID. And then after that, we get the IP address, and then we hit the IP address. This is also not going to work. This is supposed to be the app port. And then once that's done, we exit from curl, and that's fine. And then we stop the old container ID, delete it, and then we scale down back to 1. That's amazing. That looks really good. Cool. So this is the script. What we're going to do is basically open up scripts, and then we go here, and then we just call it a var deploy 0 down. Just deploy, I think. Just deploy script. Yeah, that makes sense. Just deploy script, boom, and then paste it. Alrighty. Now I don't like things to go like this. Yes. Thank you. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, no, not thank you at all. Take this out back there. And it's the same thing here. Yes, I'm doing this manually because this is just a template. This is just a string. Yes, so we take username, service name, app port, Docker username. Service name, app port, Docker username. And then we have the service name here, service name, Docker username, service name again, new container, app port. Okay, good. Now, this looks good to me. What we need to do is basically go cobra.cli add preview, what? Preview, which is inside the deploy. I did not do that. What happened here? ls pro. Show me the command init preview. Oh, we do have preview. Damn, we do have deploy. How beautiful. Go run. I might have done this and forgot about it. Main.go, no such file or directory. Stat main.go. What? Yeah, fair enough. Ah, right. That's fine. But show me, why did you do that? No, okay. I've done this twice. Amazing. Bo, 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 bo. Right. The site config. Yeah. That makes sense. No, that's fine. But why is there so many errors? Site config not found. Run site config init. There are 2 errors. The site config is not there, which is being thrown from the utils. Yeah. Yes. This is this guy, which I'd rather we do here actually instead of this. Site config not found. Run site config. I think this is more succinct. Succinct is very important, by the way. And then instead of this, just call this config error. Yes, like that. And then we don't need this. Yes, thank you. We need to change this to config error. And then finally, os.exit. I actually don't know what the numbers mean. I'll look that up later. That's fine. And then here, you do the same thing. You do the same thing. Yes. So you do the same thing. I don't like this. Yeah, like this. And then you exit. If there's no site config in it, you should exit. Like, I don't know, like if there's no site config in it, if there's no site config, yes, sidekick config is not found, you just exit. Okay, so then if you don't have this, then you just can directly run site config launch and then exit. Okay, cool. Happy days. All good, all good, all good. Now, what we need to do is basically do something like this. And under deploy, yes, and then we said we are going to, yes, here like so. And then we said there will be 3 variables. So let's pass those on. Am I in the right file? Yes, we are. I need to make this smaller. This is called deploy script. Thank you. Deploy script. Run the deploy script. And then can you change this name here? Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Deploy script. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Run the deploy script. And then it will take up the service name. Huh. We need to load the YAML, the local YAML first. Damn, son. This is not coming from Viper. Hmm. We need to load the local YAML first. This is not coming from Viper. Open up launch on the side, go down all the way. We need to open the local YAML first. So because I'm a lazy developer, as everyone should be, I am going to copy my old code, the one that I did, to open up the Docker file, which is somewhere here. Go for it, go for it. We open up the Docker file. Oh, god damn it. We open up the Docker file. Here we go. We open up the Docker file. I think there is a way to use the YAML library to open up YAML files right away, I think. Go YAML read3, open up the YAML file. I think you just do a YAML. No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. All you need to do is something like this. Okay, and then, yes, and then what you're doing instead is run sidekick.yaml on here, and this is your content. That's right. And then if you can't do this, then this will be unable to process your project config. That's right. And then os.exit of one. And then finally, we do YAML dot, I don't know. We need to marshal it, right? No, I think it's like marshal serializes the value provided into a YAML document. Okay, so we don't need to marshal, we need to unmarshal. The equal to the first document found within the byte slice and assigns the decoded value into the interface. Yes. So unmarshal content, but the thing is, where are we going to unmarshal it into? We will unmarshal it onto project config, which is going to be, I think it's like Sidekick app. Yes, Sidekick project config file. Thank you. So you unmarshal it here, and then obviously you pass a reference to this project config as such, and then just error is equal to whatever you return from here. And then if then error does not equal oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Panic. Panic with that error if you can't unmarshal it. But you should be able to unmarshal it normally. And then once you have done that, my man, what we need to do is finally pass the variables here. And the first variable is actually open up scripts service name, which is project config.app.name. How beautiful. That's right. And then after that, we have the app port. Okay, no, we don't need this. We need here again, project config app.port. Yes. And then finally, Docker user, I don't know. I don't know. Open up types. Go all the way. No, we'll go. Oh, damn. This isn't in it. Okay, I'm feeling the rush. I am feeling the rush. I am feeling the rush. Docker user name viper.set username. Okay, cool. Yes. So that means this is Docker username. Nice. And then wait, hold on. Something is not right. No, something is right. Yeah. No, something's not right. Ugh, damn it, dude. We need to run this on the server, not on the client. Oh man, this is terrible. Very bad idea. We have to run this on the server. Hmm. How are we going to do that? I have completely missed that. Hmm. Right. We have to run this on the server. Hmm. I have absolutely completely missed that. We have to run this on the server. Hmm. This is locally. Utils run command on the client. Hmm. Interesting one. So there is, oops, not here. There is actually a way. Don't know if this is gonna work, but you could do deploys. Ah, I am stuck. I am stuck. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Du-du-du-du-du. Yeah, this is not right. Logging into the server. Yeah, we definitely need to log into the server anyway. Uh, the get, I think it's called like server. Then cross this into a string. We should be right. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. That's an interesting one indeed. Okay. Now that we have this, we should be able to do that with this guy here like this. Hmm. We should be able to do this, and then we don't need the channel because we don't want to listen to the outputs. Forget about it. Forget about it. Hmm. But then instead, I'm just, I don't know if this will work really. I sincerely don't know if this will work. So just go like deploy script here. Yeah, 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 yeah. That makes sense. It has to be a string. Strings, new reader. Utils deploy script. It should be like session. It should be like session run. Hmm. That is an interesting one indeed. Don't know how to do that. So what's the value of this script exactly here? Don't care about this. Don't care about this. Um, mm. Ugh, come on, man. Mm, yeah, I understand. Just skip all of this for now. Need some sort of a debug mode because I hate this. Anyway. I know. Interface conversion is not new. Goodness, what have we done again? Oh yeah, you have done that. Hmm. Man, stop it, stop it. I hate this so much. Stop it, stop it. Just let me go. Let me go. Okay, okay. What? So if you do, I think that's what happened anyway. But let me see. Oh yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's the same thing. It doesn't make any sense anyway. Okay, I need some silence and focus now. If I run this, I don't care about the error that comes back. God damn it, people, give me a break. Yeah, that's right. But that will run this locally. So how can I get this into a string that I can run anywhere? I don't even know if that's possible though. Because if we can't, then we have to we have to move that file there, and I don't want to do that. Okay, let's try that. It's exactly what I want. Let's try that. What? What happened to this? Oh, damn it, you idiot. Of course it did. Trigger string method. That's how it works in Go. Yeah, I don't think this will work. Just to be clear, I don't think this will work. But we are going to try it anyway. Because we are experimenting. And we have no idea what the hell is going on, Mike. I honestly don't think this will work. Yes, I don't think this will work. But why not is the question. But why not is the question indeed. Why not is the question indeed. No, this is it in it actually. Let's listen to whatever comes back as well. Yeah. Let's listen to whatever comes back. Let's listen to whatever comes back. And then if you get anything, my man, just print it. Print the output. Yes. None of that stuff. Okay. Psh, psh, psh. Yeah. Not very happy about this, but life goes on. Give me a droplet. Give me a droplet. Let's go. Give me a droplet. Let's go. Give me a droplet. Let's go. So the issue, and I've had this issue before where I need to run some command on the VPS, but it's not that straightforward because either you make a package for the VPS and install it there so you can run things, which I'm really tempted to do. And that would be your client that's running on the VPS, and you can kind of like just literally run docker, sidekick, blah, blah, blah. Or I really think I'm going to go down this route. Or what I want is to basically trigger the whole thing from the command, right? Let's just say trigger execute. I don't know if that's a good idea even. Execute long commands without dash file. How to run a shell script without using sh or bash. Add a shebang. I don't wanna, that's not what I'm talking about. I want to, I think it kind of makes sense. Because I should be able to do this with the arguments. But how are you going to do it with the arguments? Then maybe we can replace the strings. Okay, what I'm saying is that what I want to do is basically have this whole thing, right? And then just run it in one kind of like input right away. And then kind of like change the. So if I do this and then go here, actually, this is too small. If I do this and go here and then like do paste it, that's obviously terrible. Uh, but it doesn't have to be terrible because I should be able to delete all this stupid stuff. Yes, and then instead of that, I should be able to do this, for example, right? Yes, and then go back. I don't think this is a good idea. I don't know if this is a good idea, which is another thing. Yeah, like that. And then we just do this. MS slash next. And then like that. To denote a new line. And that's what I have in mind. I don't know if that's gonna work. Because if it does work in one string, then I think that would be best for us. And But I don't know if that's going to work when I'm doing advanced stuff like this. Okay, cool. So it's working. It is working. It is working. Then what I need to do. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good idea. We can basically have this as a string, and then I can add the stuff at the end, right? And then we can just run it. I can simply just run it from one string in the command line on the server without writing a bash script. Hmm. Yes. I don't know. I don't understand. So how this is the yeah. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, that's what I mean. So okay. Just copy this and then just kind of like paste it here. Uh let's see. So just call this deploy script string. Okay. Then we don't do this anymore. Yes, we don't do this anymore. And then we need to replace stuff, basically. That's what we have to do now. I think we have this preview, and this is empty, I believe, so we can use it to play around. We can. How beautiful. Let's do that. So we are going to do strings. Let's just call this command equals strings dot replace all of utils. Yes, utils dot deploy script string, and then we're going to replace a lot of things. So replace the copy. No, there's another one called replace. This is a list of strings with replacements. It is safe for concurrent use by multiple Go routines. Yes. I believe we should do place. I did something like that. Oh shit. Place. I did not do something like that. How amazing. Okay. I think this replacer dot we need to use replace on it. That would give you the replacer, and then you can go like yes. And then you can go like command dot replace. Right? So let's replace this. Something is not right still. Uh New replacers I'm looking for, I think. New replacer returns a new replacer from a list of old new strings pair. Replacements are performed in the order they appear in the target string without overlapping matches. The old string comparison and an argument. New replacer panics if given an odd number of arguments. And it returns a replacer. Yeah, this is what I'm after. What's the issue? Man, so many languages in my head. I don't know if too many languages or just a skill issue at this point. Oh man, I'm dying here. I am literally dying. Old new string. Yes, so this should work like so. Yeah, I'm telling you, I am dying. What's the error? What? Man, I'm really dying here. Hmm. Ah, I am absolutely dying here. It's terrible. So what's the issue? Yes, I know, it's like this. You put the type after the slide symbol. What's the issue now? Cannot use of property. What the what? What the fuck's going on? Very annoyed. Very annoyed. Right. Not even. I'm dying. You're killing me. How? Terrible. 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 I don't know. That sounds really weird to me. But anyway. Replacers. Replacer dot replace. The string is util script. And that will give you the result. And then this is the command. Yes. Far out, man. And then print. Man, this is not Python. Oh man, I'm getting really angry. Print command. What am I doing? Go run preview. Uh, Deploy preview. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Deploy preview. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's what I mean. And then when you go back here, what you need to do is basically this. Oh, there's no need for this one. Okay, that's it. And finally, this is your command. Yep. Yep. Just like that, my man. Just like that. Now go back to deploy. You don't do any of this. We basically do this. Okay. It's quite simple. Now, service name is going to come from the project config. Applet name, happy days. And then the next one is going to be the next one. It's a good question. The next one is app port. Yep, like this app port. And this is going to also come from project config dot app dot port. And then finally, we have the, I think it's like Docker username or something. Yes. Docker username. I know I don't need to use the dollar sign because it's not longer a bash script, but it doesn't matter for now. And this will come from viper get Docker username and then cast this into a string. Awesome. Now, in sake of clarity, just in case this actually is the solution we are going to go with, we need to just clean this up a little bit because it's basically pairs of data. Are you going to help me here? No, you're not. Obviously, you're not going to help me. Obviously. Because who likes to help people? Anyway, let's see. Um, yes, let's just call this deploy command. Deploy command. Deploy script. Yalla. Yalla, whatever. Yalla. AF, delete this. Yes, just call it. It's basically a string. Run this command. And if you get something in the output, print it. That's it. Happy days. Okay, cool. Happy days. Let's set it up. Let's set up something. We already have one here. Let's copy this. Alrighty, let's do it. It's the, oh, what did I do? Go into Sidekick, go, oh, something's wrong. You probably organize inputs. Yes, thank you. Go install dot. Thank you. Let's go here. Get out of this bullshit. Can you clear it? Clear it. Yes, clear it. Thank you. Clear, and then Sidekick init. Do this. Damn it. Docker.io. And it's Musa. Yes, I'm logged in. Let's go. Cool. Set it up. Launch the Next.js app there and have some fun. And have some fun. Yeah, and that makes sense because that means we will build one variable, one thing locally. We will build the image locally and then push it, tag it, push it. That's fine. And then once you do that, you will, because you're already logged in, you'll go there and then you will check out what's happening there. I think that's going to be the plan for now. Let's see if it actually works. Give a second to me. Top here. Okay, amazing. Cool. All right. Let's see if this will work. The thing is, even if it doesn't work, even if it works, I don't know if it's a good idea. So I'm not very sure about it, but I'm just trying it out. As one should. As one should. But I'm really not very confident about it. Because I think we might just end up being, um, might end up as having to install a client on the other side, on the VPS. And then from that client, we can have some fun. Yeah. So I'm really thinking about that. Okay, so this is fine. This is done. Okay, cool. Now go into Sidekick, go into the test app. We are going to, change this into V1 and then just deploy this right away. So go like Sidekick launch, which will deploy the first version. Let's call this app, literally just app. Please enter the domain you want. Oh, why is this empty? That's not fun. Why is this empty? Oh, damn. Of course it's empty. Yeah, could I, but on launch, right? So what I could do is basically go here, go outside, run lazy get, and look at launch. I think, I don't remember how you could go through the hunks. Yeah, it should be this value here. Actually, you know what? I want to learn how to do this. So git mm, what? You can use your mouse here? Okay, I absolutely hate this. Mm, sprint f as a slip app name. Yeah, actually, this is not necessary to do all the stuff, man. It's very simple. It's just fun to do sprint f, and then it's basically like this s sprint f, and then this is s dot another one, and then dot s slip.io. Then that will give you two variables. One is called the app name, and the other one is called the Viber. Actually, no. Yes, this is a launch. Yeah, the other one is Viber. The get get server. That's it. We'll install this again. Happy days. Let's go again. Yep. I know. I know. I know. I know. App 3000. Yes. I feel me burning out. Server address. It's server address. Server address. I'm the one who wrote it, and I'm the one who forgot it. That's how beautiful this is. App 3000. Yes. Yes. Oops. Why? Why is this panicking? What? Oh. Yes, this is wrong. This is from the sprint F. It should be like this. Really? What am I doing? What? File is there? What's your issue? Cannot operate a non-existent file. What are you talking about, man? I will not. Okay, it's enough for today.